Hi, this is Jamie Davis, coming to you from Cape Town, and I'm here at AfricaCom with Luc-Yves of Kontron. How you doing, Luc?
Very nice, thank you. Thank you very much indeed.
So, it's a beautiful day here. How is the show treating you inside, though?
Yeah, not too bad. We've got a fantastic first day. There was a lot of people coming in to see what we are doing and what we actually do on the market. So that was really exciting. And then yesterday I did my presentation to the connectivity stage where we gathered additional people to appreciate what we do.
So SDN and NFV, that's your bag, isn't it?
Absolutely, that's what we do for a living.
Okay, so talk us through what exactly you're focusing on at the moment and what sort of niche in the market you're looking to address.
Well, yes, for sure. What we're trying to do on the market is to facilitate and accommodate the fast transformation towards SDN NAV. So what it means that people are trying to leverage what they have invested in for the past 10 or 20 years into legacy services that they wish to virtualize. So obviously what it means as well is that they have a multi-vendor environment. So our goal is actually to leverage our open services platform called the SIM Cloud in order to faster help in virtualizing these environments in order to leverage as well the combination of open source innovations.
So virtualization, it's a big word we've been hearing a lot about, but the industry seems to have stalled a little bit over the last couple of years. I mean, can you pinpoint any particular reason why?
Well, yes, for sure. The first promises for SDN NAV were actually to have massive reductions in capex and opex, and then naturally people wanted to get to optimize their costs in order to become more profitable and obviously to accelerate the penetration of new services. But at the end of the day, when you want to do that, you need also to transform fundamentally your infrastructure. So what it means that you have to think about not only services but also about OSS, BSS, orchestration, but also the hardware that is needed actually to provide the compute capabilities for virtualization. So obviously it takes a certain time to find the right recipe between what is proprietary solutions and then also open source innovation that we're favoring.
So it's harder than a lot of people thought to start with.
Absolutely, it's some sort of a long process because obviously coming from an operator to another one, they are not typically the same. They have a different perspective on the market. They have a different dynamics. They are different markets because we're in Africa at the moment. But the dynamics that you see in Asia, Africa, and North America are totally different. So obviously you have different markets, different perspective, and obviously different positions and different baggage. What I mean baggage, it means that they have different legacy services that they need to get rid of before trying to transform themselves towards virtualization.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's have a quick look at some of your kits.
Sure.
So we've got a couple of products here. Talk us through what's on top, what's on the bottom.
Okay, what's on top is that what's on top is actually what we call a white box top of the rack switch. What it means this is top of the rack switch that we use in data center. That can be because it is white oriented. What it means that we can support any operating software that could be running on top to bring additional value. Okay. Protocols, underlay, and then overlay protocols for SDN NAV. What it means as well is that we can virtualize a lot of functions and a lot of legacy services on top of it. That's what we actually intend to leverage our partner. We have a great partner called InnoCybe Technologies. They create a great package of SDN controller, using the Open Daylight different package from Open Daylight that they combine together with a very value-added sauce, and then that's what we use on top of this box.
And on the bottom?
On the bottom we have our flagship product called the SIM Cloud. The SIM Cloud is actually not a server. It looks like a server, but it's not definitely one. It's an open services platform. Open services platform comes on a principle to converge two important elements for data center and then networking services infrastructure. We have this sled that support actually CPU, memory, and storage. It's actually a condensed version of servers. So on this sled we have actually 2 servers running at the same time, and we have 9 sled of this that we can support on that box. And then combined with these 9 sleds supporting up to 18 servers running at the same time. We have integrated switching capabilities here that are redundant and then ranging from 1 gig to 100 gig, giving us the possibility to support any functionalities that exist on the market. Typically virtual MPLS, virtual mobile networking functions. We can also support virtual firewall, centralized firewall, also voice, unified communication, you name them. There's no limitation. But at the same time, what we're doing at the moment is we're leveraging that box in order to support the fully fledged OpenStack cloud OS platform onto that product, into a 2U form factor. Generally speaking, to support OpenStack, you need at least 20 U of equipment that we have condensed into a 2U form factor product. And obviously, we're leveraging our strategic partnership with Ubuntu, canonical Ubuntu OpenStack, but also DPDK from 6Win Virtual Accelerator. That's what this product is all about.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Luc-Yves.
Thank you very much.